today I'm gonna be showing you how to get this free hat. This one, this Stuffy Cat hat. It looks really cute, guys. And look at the cat. Oh my god, it has galaxy eyes. But today I'm gonna be showing you how to get it if you want it, of course. So I know I haven't posted in a while, but I just took a break since it's school. Of course, we have school and we have lots of things to do, so I'm of course gonna be needing to take a break. But this is how to get it. So you basically go to this game called ShimmerVille. Sorry for my spelling, but yeah, basically you go there, and I've already got the item, so this is just what you're gonna have to do. So let's just join it. Just wait. And then what happened? So if you want, you can skip the conversation because before you go there, there's like a conversation that's gonna go on with this girl. So let's go first, guys. So there's just so much going on now. But wait, this is what you have to do. So I think it's at the cafe. Yeah. But I do know there's like another way you can get like another one. Or another one of those accessories, because they have two accessories. They got like a birdie backpack. But yeah, basically to get this Stuffy Cat hat, you need to go to Claire's cafe and just go to a game, and then just wait, and then when you're in the game, you should get a badge. I'm not so sure if it like still works or you can no longer obtain the badge. Hey guys, so I just found out that it's still obtainable, because I'm pretty sure there's like no limit to this, like for the Stuffy Cat hat. But you could also get this one by opening a pet orb. But I don't really like it, so yeah, I don't like that one. It looks a little bit funky, but I do like the Stuffy Cat. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more free items videos, just comment down below, and also subscribe and like this video. Bye.